everyone, I'm Kat and welcome to my channel, Naturally Beautiful Girl. Believe it or not, it is time once again for me to be doing my Petit Vour unboxing, and this is the November Petit Vour Box. And if you guys don't already know, I am an affiliate with Petit Vour. Petit Vour does send me the box, but I always give you my honest opinions about the products in the box, what I think of everything. You guys know this if you watch my videos, because I don't love everything. Sometimes there are products I like, sometimes there are products I don't, but I really enjoy sharing them with you guys, and you guys really seem to enjoy it as well. Because I am an affiliate with Petit Vour, if you decide to start subscribing to the Petit Vour box, be sure to use my links. I do make a small commission off of you using my links, and it doesn't add any additional cost to you, but it does help to support Naturally Beautiful Girl and keep bringing you awesome content. Petit Vour is a cruelty-free, vegan and non-toxic beauty box. Normally I find there's at least one full-size product in a box, and normally like 3 or so travel size or sample size products. The holidays are coming up, and this box is a really great gift idea. You can do a gift subscription to the box. It doesn't have to be for a full year. You could do like a 3-month subscription. So if you are interested in that as well, I will leave a link down below for that. And also, as always, Petit Vour does have a store. So if you want to go ahead and shop on the Petit Vour store, it is honestly one of my favorite stores to shop from because they have an amazing point system. It's really one of the best point systems I've ever seen. For every purchase you make through the Petit Vour store, you get 20% of the purchase value in points. And those points translate to actual dollars that you can then use towards future purchases. So it is an amazing reward system. I use it all the time myself. I highly recommend it to everyone. You know, if being cruelty-free and vegan are a particular concern for you, one of the amazing things about Petit Vour is everything on there is cruelty-free and vegan, so you don't have to ever worry about whether a product is or it isn't. If it's on there, it will be. So that also just makes shopping so much easier. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and jump right into the November Petit Vour box. I will be doing a review of the October Petit Vour box at the end of this video, so stay tuned for that as well. I always grab the makeup product first because I like to go ahead and try those on. This month we got, I believe how you're gonna say this is Donore. It is a lip and cheek pod. I've not heard of this brand before. It says Donore by The Organic Face. The description in the card about this product is that it's a long-wearing and super pigmented. This lip and cheek duo is perfect for the minimalist beauty routine. Apply to lips, cheeks, and even the eyes for a quick flush of hydrating color. And I have no idea what shade I got. It may just be a one shade fits all. It's pretty vibrant, peachy, orangey color. So that's why I kind of did warmer toned eye makeup today. I'm just trying to coordinate with this. So let's go ahead and try this. The value of this product is $22. I'm thinking from the size of the product that this may be a full-size product. The card for Petit Vour used to say like if something was full size, if it was sample size, but it no longer does that, which I kind of wish it still did. I did look up quickly. This does come in a couple of different shades. I still don't know exactly what shade I have. I think maybe the shade Tiger Melon. I was looking at some pictures online and that was kind of the closest one I could figure out to what mine looks like. So my thoughts, it's okay. It is super sheer. I don't know if you guys were seeing that. Like it was taking me a while to get the color built up. For my own personal taste, I prefer more pigmented cheek products. And it's also might have to do with my skill level as well. If you are a beginner, this is great because it's really difficult to like over blush yourself. For me and where my level is at the moment, I'd rather just have more pigment come out on the product and then blend it out rather than having to build up the color as much. I could imagine for someone with a deeper skin tone than what I have, it could be a little bit difficult to actually get the color to show up because I am super fair and it still was not like super easy to get the color to show up. It is quite a balmy, slippery product as well. It feels really good on my lips. I have it on my lips right now. It gave me a very, very light wash of color on my lips and it feels very kind of hydrating on my lips. I don't know if I like something this balmy and slippery on my skin. Also, I have oily skin, so it'll be really interesting to see how this wears on my skin throughout the day. So far it's okay, but not instant love. The next product in the box this month is the Meta Skincare Comforting Hand Balm. And I've gotten a number of products in the Petit Vour box from Meta Skincare and really quite liked a lot of them. I found them to be very hydrating, very nourishing products, and this is kind of the perfect product to get as we're moving closer to winter. The value of this is $11, so I think this is a sample size product. First of all, I've encountered another Meta Balm skincare product with this beautiful yellow color. Like, isn't that incredible? It's just beautiful. I tried this out last night. One of the things I noticed, which a lot of you might like, is that the scent of this is very mild. It does contain calendula and lavender, and I think it gives it a very light scent, but it's not too overpowering. So I actually really did like this scent. Here's what I thought about this product. It was super nourishing. And I think this will be the perfect hand balm if you have like really dry hands or if you get like cracked knuckles. I will inevitably at some point during the winter end up with cracked knuckles. No matter how much lotion I put on, somehow it always happens to me. Normally the culprit is too much dishwashing. You know, only I didn't have to wash dishes. I think this product could be really great for this. It is definitely a thicker consistency. It's not like a lotion that sinks in immediately. It kind of stays more on your hands. So it's a good product to especially use like at night when you're going to bed. That's how I used it last night. And I was surprised though at how well it did sink into my hands. I thought it was gonna be a lot more slippery all night long. And that wasn't the case. It didn't sink in as quickly as my Juice Beauty hand cream. I love that for like a regular, just, you know, everyday hand cream. But this is going to be amazing for moving into winter and wanting something like even more intense. So if you have extremely dry hands or suffer with like getting really, you know, cracked knuckles and stuff during the winter, I think this could be a great product to check out. I'm really excited to have this on hand. I really have been impressed by a lot of the Meta Skincare products, and this is no exception. Another product we got in this month's box was from Evolve H, and this is the Ultimate Styling Lotion. This is a lotion that is supposed to curl, hold, defrizz, shine, define curls, all that. This is a sample size. It's valued at $11, but it's quite a large one. It's a 2 full ounce sample. And I did use this in my hair last night. So what I did was I took some of it out. I like ran it through my hair when it was still damp from after I showered, and then I put my hair in a braid. That's how I get my hair wavy like this. If you guys are ever curious, I often braid it at night while it's still damp. And then in the morning, you know, I end up with some nice waves. This product is a little bit of a misnomer to me because it says styling lotion, but it definitely had more of a gel consistency. It wasn't too slippery. I was worried it was gonna be kind of greasy because of the name, but it definitely was more of a gel-like consistency. And I mean, I think it did well. The real test will be how well does my hair hold the style throughout the day, which obviously I don't know yet because I am filming in the morning and I just took my hair out of my braids not too long ago. So this will be a product I will have to update you more on as I use it throughout the month. But the one thing I have to say about this is the smell, and this is true for a lot of the Evolve H products, is pretty strong. If you're not into very heavily scented products, you may not enjoy this. It definitely has a strong scent, and I can still smell the product in my hair, so it definitely lingers a little bit as well. But I think this could be really interesting. I'm really hopeful that it'll work well. I mean, it's kind of nice to have like a very multi-purpose hair product. You can use it on wet or dry hair. So yeah, definitely something I'm looking forward to trying out some more, but so far so good. And it didn't make my hair look weighed down or greasy, which is also nice. I always worry about that when I add product to my hair. I don't know if I used enough in my hair. I always have this issue with hair products because I have super thick hair, so I never know if I actually got enough product in my hair. So I also need to play around with that a little bit more too. So the final product this month is from My Daughter Fragrances. This is a sample of the perfume in Joyful. I've gotten some samples of My Daughter fragrance perfumes before, but I have not actually gotten this scent. So let's check this out. The scent notes are jasmine, orange blossom, grapefruit, bergamot, and spearmint. So it sounds like all things I would like. So let's give this a whiff here. Yeah, it does smell really nice. I really like this. I think I like this a lot better than the previous fragrance I got from My Daughter Fragrances. Yeah, no, I definitely like this. This is a cat perfume. I like this. And one of the nice things about My Daughter Fragrances I found from the previous sample I had was that they're pretty long wearing, like they definitely last on your skin. So this will be a great perfume to have, and the nice small size will be perfect for traveling. I've got some traveling coming up with Thanksgiving and stuff, so definitely a good option to check out. And the value of the sample is $2. So what that means is that the value of the entire box is $45 this month, and that's great considering the purchase price of the box. So if you subscribe to the box will cost you $18 a month, and the value of this one's $45. So I'm gonna move ahead and do my review of the October Petit Vour box. The first product I'm going to mention is the Kani Botanicals Prismatic highlight in the shade Moonstone. I applied this on my cheeks today. You can see that glow from this highlighter. I have come to really like it. It made it into my October favorites video, so it's definitely been a standout product for me this month. I am really impressed. I definitely want to try out more of the Kani Botanicals face products. Like I know they also have a cream blush, a cream bronzer, another shade, the cream highlighter. I'd love to try those all out as well. This definitely has been an outstanding highlighter. It's definitely more on the gold side, so if you want a kind of very gold toned highlighter, I think this could be a great one. I like how it applies, I like how it wears, it doesn't disrupt my foundation underneath it. It's just a good, solid highlighter. And of course, it's very glowy, which I also like. Okay, the next product I still have in its packaging, and this is the My Couture Bamboo Blotting Sheets. And the reason I still have this packed up is because I'm currently using this one here, also from My Couture. This is the Skincare Blotting Paper, Vitamin C and E. I didn't want to have a whole bunch of blotting papers open all at once, so I like to just kind of go through one and then open the next one. So I'm working through this one right now. I love My Couture, that's why I'm still holding on to this. I'm excited to have a backup of my blotting paper, because, you know, if you have oily skin, you can never have too much blotting paper, so definitely an outstanding product. Once again, if you're looking for blotting paper, I highly recommend My Couture. I feel like a broken record because I keep raving about it, but it's an awesome blotting paper. I also have the Formulary 55 Rose Hip and Clay Facial Mask. I have not used this. I'm going to be passing this along to a friend. I have tried several of the Formulary 55 clay masks. They're just not my personal favorite because I don't really like clay face masks. So I'd rather just save this, pass it on to a friend. The final product we got in last month's box was the Gold Faden MD Bright Eyes Dark Circle Radiance Concentrate. So, okay. So first of all, I've tried another sample of this before this one, and I really like that sample. I also really like this one. I have a couple of pros and cons on this. I do not like the packaging at all. It dispenses way too much product. This is a little pump, so you have to pump it down and depress it. What happens is it shoots out way more product than I can actually use under my eyes, and I'm like, what do I do with all this extra eye cream? And it's really expensive, and then I don't know what to do. So I don't like the dispensing mechanism of this product. However, what I do really like about this eye cream is that it sinks into your skin really easily. So concealer, for instance, layers beautifully on top of it. Do I think that it really has helped to brighten my eyes, depuff my eyes? I have no idea. I have a really hard time telling if eye serums and eye products work or not. It's more, do I like the consistency of it? Do I like how other products layer on top of it? I've never found an eye product where I'm like, wow, this has done miracles for my under eyes. Like my dark circles are gone, or my fine lines actually look, you know, less noticeable. But I do really like that this one just sinks in. So if you are looking for a eye cream that's definitely moisturizing but isn't like gloopy or greasy or heavy on your eyes, I do recommend checking this one out. I am interested in purchasing a full size. I hope that the full size has a better dispensing mechanism than this one, because I just feel really wasteful when too much product comes out and I can't use it. Overall, let me know what you guys think. Have you gotten the November box? I know I often post this video before a lot of you get it. So I know some of you come back and watch the video after you get the box, so if you have gotten it, let me know what you think about the products you got in it. And once again, thank you so much for watching. If you like seeing this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also check out my Instagram. I have lots of fun content on there. My handle's @naturallybeautifulgirl. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye!